Did you know that design thinking is dead? It's been dead for a while. It's been pronounced dead many, many times. Um, but in a way, you could say it's dead because we've boxed it into rigid recipes and 6-step workshops, and we turned it into something like a black belt certification system. And really, design thinking isn't about static procedures and it's supposed to be dynamic and iterative. It's supposed to be an iterative language. It's supposed to be a mindset. It's supposed to be about humanizing the systems that serve us. So, if you're just ticking boxes in a brainstorm or a workshop, you are just rearranging the furniture. So, stop looking for a recipe and start being a chef, or at least realize that in order to be a chef, you have to let go of recipes. I know you have to start with a recipe. That's not what it's about. So, are you using a tool, a method, a framework, or are you speaking and living the language?